Hi guys, welcome to another Spray Gunners video, and today we're going to talk about the perfect marriage. And I'm not talking about your personal life, I'm talking about the minigun, which already got a popularity. It sells really well. It's a great solution for covering the big surfaces, motorcycles, props, whatever you guys do in cosplay. Something bigger when you have a spray, this is the solution. We have the disposable cup adapter for using like the cups you can throw away, disposable ones, automotive style, and it's just ergonomic. It's nice. It's 0.8, so it goes heavily with the water-based paints, goes better on weight, really nice. But it's not the only thing. We introduced it, and of course we figured, okay, we don't have a compressor for it really, so we got this is the cool TOOTY OS, and we couldn't figure out the better name because the OS stands pretty much for on steroids. That's what it is. This is our popular cool TOOTY compressor, just 3 times the power pretty much. It's half the horsepower in it, the motor, and it has the high volume output, and it has the higher pressure setting. So because the fan air cap needs the higher pressure for the air, we put it at the 5 bar as the starting point. So when the pressure in the compressor drops to 5 bar in the tank, it starts automatically, and it stops when the pressure reaches the 6 bars. Which all the boring information for you, just this is what it made for, the minigun, or you can use this compressor for like multiple of the airbrushes working at the same time, like regular ones. If you take your Infinities and put them 3 or 4, you can work simultaneously like 3 station out of this compressor, no problem. It has a cooling fan, it has of course the air pressure adjust regulator, it has the moisture trap, and it's pretty quiet. It's a little louder than our cool TOOTY, but I'm just gonna press it here. Not gonna get the full pressure, but pretty much here we go. I got something in it. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so the minigun, if you haven't heard about it yet, we have the fan cap on it right now. We have the round spray like your standard airbrush cap included in the set. It comes with the plastic cap like this. You can again use the different style caps on it, the disposable ones. And you can pair it with a compressor. If you're getting this compressor, or not necessarily with a minigun, you can get them separately, of course. Please remember, this is the point, this is the 1/4 inch connector. This is not the 1/8 that we have on our airbrushes usually, or hoses, so we need an adapter. We made it so, it's bigger output. If you want to use all of it, you need a bigger hose. And the settings are pretty simple. You always put a little more pressure here, and then you adjust on the airbrush. Free little tank. What else? I mean, it's a compressor, and it does work real good. We have the warranty on it. Spray gunner takes care of everything. Let's see how it sprays. Alright, so I got the setup ready. So you can see the compressor now connected to the minigun, and I got right at 60 psi running on the dial here. It's always better to have a little more pressure going on the compressor, and then you adjust it right on the handle. So by the feel, I don't have the gauge here, but I can tell it's around 40 psi I have right now. With the fan air cap, that's what you need. And let's put some paint in and give it a go. You got some prepared, beautiful color. Don't need too much just for this little test. I got a fan spray air cap right now, and well, I'm gonna get some boxes that are painted. If you get the box Warhammer with paint on it, it was me. Oh my god, look at this! Right from this little guy. So it's a quick coverage for the first layer. We're gonna go over with the second layer, and you're gonna cover this kind of blockage. Just give it a minute. Because paper absorbs, that's why I can go, heavier and cover it. It's pretty transparent paint right now, so usually you would go with the 2 or 3 layers, but for like a cosplay, for your, the prop mate guns, anything that's bigger for motorcycles and stuff like that, this is great size gun. And it also can do smaller lines, you should be surprised. So we have the 2-in-1 in the box. We have the different air cap, which you can quickly put on like this and switch. One thing to remember, because it's a different air cap now, it consumes less air. So if I'm gonna keep the same settings, I'm gonna have much higher output. So I even need to bring it down. I usually do it just by feel. I think this is good. So you can do the round spray, you can do it bigger from the distance, or you can lower pressure a little bit more and do almost like drawing capabilities with it. So Here we go, minigun in action. Tell us what you think.